In today's fast-paced world, the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just beginning your culinary journey, having a reliable and versatile immersion blender can elevate your cooking experience. This Immersion Blender Handheld is one such tool that promises to be a game-changer in your kitchen. With its powerful motor, multiple attachments, and user-friendly design, this immersion blender is built to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. But is it really worth the investment? In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and performance of this blender, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Why choose the Immersion Blender Handheld? In a market saturated with kitchen gadgets, the Immersion Blender Handheld stands out for several reasons. Powerful performance. The motor ensures that you can handle any blending task with ease, from smooth purees to chunky salsas. Versatility. With multiple attachments, this blender can replace several other kitchen tools, saving you space and money. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, including a copper motor and stainless steel blades, this blender is designed to last. Ease of use. User-friendly design, ergonomic handle, and easy-to-clean attachments make this blender a joy to use. Value for money. Considering its features, performance, and durability, the Immersion Blender Handheld offers excellent value for money. The heart of any good blender is its motor, and the Immersion Blender Handheld does not disappoint. With an impressive 1,000-watt all-copper motor, this blender is designed to tackle even the toughest ingredients effortlessly. Whether you're blending frozen fruits for a smoothie, pureeing vegetables for a soup, or making a thick batter for your favorite dessert, this blender's powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent results every time. What sets this blender apart is its ability to operate efficiently without generating excessive noise. This means you can whip up your favorite recipes without disturbing the entire household. An often overlooked yet significant feature for those who appreciate a quiet kitchen environment. One of the standout features of the Immersion Blender Handheld is its versatility. It's not just a blender, it's a multifunctional kitchen tool that can replace several appliances, saving you both space and money. The blender comes with a variety of attachments, including 27-aughts 800-milliliter beaker. Perfect for blending smoothies, milkshakes, or sauces directly in the container. The beaker size is ideal for single servings or small batches, making it convenient for everyday use. 20-aughts 600-milliliter chopper. This attachment turns your blender into a mini food processor, allowing you to chop vegetables, nuts, herbs, and more with precision and ease. It's perfect for preparing ingredients for recipes that require fine chopping or mincing. Milk frother. Love a good latte or cappuccino? The milk frother attachment lets you create cafe-quality froth milk at home, adding a professional touch to your coffee or other beverages. Egg whisk. This attachment is a baker's best friend, making it easy to whisk eggs, cream, or batter quickly and efficiently. Whether you're preparing meringues, whipped cream, or pancake batter, the egg whisk ensures a light and airy consistency. These attachments make the Immersion Blender Handheld a true all-in-one kitchen tool, capable of handling a wide range of tasks from blending and chopping, frothing and whisking. One of the biggest concerns when using an immersion blender is the potential for scratching your cookware. The Immersion Blender Handheld addresses this issue with its scratch-resistant design. The semi-wrapped blade guard is specifically designed to protect your pans and bowls from scratches, ensuring that your cookware stays in pristine condition. This feature is particularly useful for those who frequently blend directly in their cookware. You can use this blender with confidence, knowing that it won't damage your favorite non-stick pans or delicate glass bowls. Cooking is all about precision, and the Immersion Blender Handheld gives you the control you need to achieve the perfect texture for your recipe. The blender features 12 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to customize the blending process to suit your needs. Whether you need a slow, gentle blend for delicate ingredients or a fast, powerful blend for tougher tasks, this blender has you covered. For those times when you need an extra boost of power, Turbo mode is just a button press away. This mode increases the blender's speed to its maximum, making it easier to blend tough ingredients like frozen fruits or hard vegetables. Ease of use is a crucial factor when choosing any kitchen appliance, and the Immersion Blender Handheld excels in this area. The blender is designed with an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control even during extended use. The intuitive controls are straightforward, so you can start blending right out of the box without any steep learning curve. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part of the process, but this blender makes it easy. The attachments are detachable and dishwasher safe, so you can simply pop them into the dishwasher after use. For those who prefer to hand wash, the attachments can be easily cleaned with warm soapy water. The main motor unit should not be immersed in water, but can be wiped down with a damp cloth to keep it clean. This ease of cleaning means you'll be more inclined to use the blender regularly, without worrying about the hassle of cleanup after. When investing in a kitchen appliance, durability is key. The Immersion Blender Handheld is built to last, with high-quality materials that ensure long-term performance. The stainless steel blade is not only sharp, but also resistant to rust and corrosion, maintaining its effectiveness even with regular use. The all-copper motor is another testament to the blender's durability. Copper motors are known for their efficiency and longevity, outperforming traditional motors in both power and lifespan. This means that your investment in the Immersion Blender Handheld will pay off in the long run, as you'll be able to rely on it years to come. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a home chef in your life, the Immersion Blender Handheld is an excellent choice. Its versatility, power, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, from novice cooks to experienced chefs. The blender's sleek design and practical features make it an attractive gift for any occasion, be it a birthday, holiday, or housewarming. Plus, its compact size means it won't take up much counter or storage space, making it ideal for kitchens of all sizes. Final thoughts? Is it worth the investment? The Immersion Blender Handheld is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a versatile, powerful, and reliable tool that can transform the way you cook. Whether you're making a quick smoothie for breakfast, preparing a gourmet meal, or whipping up a dessert, this blender has the features and performance to meet your needs. The combination of power, precision, and ease of use makes it suitable for cooks of all levels. The scratch-resistant design and easy-to-clean attachments add to its appeal, ensuring that it's not only effective, but also practical, everyday use. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality immersion blender that offers versatility, durability, and excellent performance, the Immersion Blender Handheld is an investment worth making. It's a tool that will quickly become an essential part of your kitchen, helping you create delicious meals with ease. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.